Yes. Good evening. How is your weekend? I hope you'll be able to spend time with your family. Today is Sunday. It's a family day today. Hello everyone. Welcome to my vlog. Anyway, I just want to ask how is your day today? Hope all is well. Good health always, out of danger, and always happy and enjoy life, and take good care of ourselves, especially our health. Anyway, I just want to say have a good night's sleep and see you tomorrow everyone. Tomorrow is Monday. Today I'm just resting. I did not go to my training today. I'll go back to my training on Tuesday. Hello everyone. Enjoy your weekend. Tomorrow is Monday. How many days in? It's October. By September and welcome October. Bye bye. I miss you all and I love you all. Bye. Bye bye.